Skylane 73622, looks like runway 22 is more aligned with the wind. I'll land there. Skyline 22 turning downwind. And Las Cruces traffic, Skylane 73622 is left downwind, runway 22. Bella Ridge, gears down. And Las Cruces traffic, Skylane 622 is turning left base, runway 22, Las Cruces. Las Cruces traffic, Skylane 73622 is turning final, runway 22, Las Cruces.
Observation 2246 Zulu, weather, wind 230 at 14, gust 21, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 26 Celsius, dew point -4, altimeter 3003, remarks. Density altitude 6,600.
I'll leave the flaps here at only 20 given the gusts.
Las Cruces International Airport, automated weather observation 2247 Zulu, weather, wind 230 at 16, gust 21, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 26 Celsius, dew point -4, altimeter
Gears down, flaps down.
003.
Speed 75, a little more up trim. Okay, good. This is wider than it looked. All right, tricky, but all right. Wasn't great, but we're down.
Watching runway 12. Runway 1230.
Las Cruces traffic, Skyline 22's crossing runway 1230 for the taxiway. Las Cruces traffic, Skyline 22's clear the active.
Watching run.
Las Cruces traffic, Skyline 22's crossing runway 2608. Las Cruces. And Las Cruces, Skyline 22 is clear the active, Las Cruces.